In today's luxury unboxing, I am going to be unboxing one of my most recent Goyard pickups, one of their wallets. If you'd like to see what style I picked up as well as what color, hear my thoughts about it and my whole experience, just keep watching. Welcome back to another video. My name is Marion. If you're new here, it's a pleasure to meet you. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. As you could tell by the title and the intro, we are going to be doing another designer unboxing today. If you're not new to my channel, then you know I love doing designer unboxings and reviews, as well as a whole bunch of other videos. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please take a quick second and hit that little red subscribe button down below, as well as turning your post notifications on. So every single time I have a designer unboxing or a designer video, something you may like, you'll get a little notification and you can stop on by and see it. And while you're at it, you might as well go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm super active on Instagram in my stories and I love hearing feedback. So definitely make sure you head over to Instagram and follow me there as well. So with all of the important stuff aside, let's get right into the video today. We are going to be unboxing the Goyard Richelieu wallet. This is one of my most recent pickups. I recently went to the 63rd Street and 5th Avenue Maison Goyard, New York store. I had a wonderful experience shopping there. As always, my sales associate, Kurt, if you are going to the store, definitely make sure to shop with Kurt. He is amazing. Always such a friendly experience there. I cannot say enough good things about them. I always say that for all of the luxury stores, to me, Goyard has some of the nicest, most helpful, down-to-earth employees, and I absolutely love that about them. So, like I said, I picked up the Richelieu, and I hope I'm saying that right. I'm not French. I don't say a lot of good things with, I don't say a lot of things good with a French accent, but either way. As always, later in the video, I will be showing you the details up close, but I'm also going to insert kind of an unboxing of the item right here, and then we'll get into the details as far as why I bought it, what made me pick it up, what I love about it, things of that nature. So here is the unboxing. So now that we got that out of the way, you saw it is already the orange monogram Richelieu wallet. And I went in there, I knew I wanted a wallet and a card case. If you have not yet seen my card case unboxing from Goyard, I will link it on the screen and down below so you could check it out. I went in there with the mindset I want a wallet and a card case. I knew exactly what I wanted. I just didn't know the colors. And when I was there, I was like, should I match the wallet to the card case? And I was like, not really, because to me, the coolest thing about Goyard is kind of their colors. Because Louis Vuitton, it's always monogram. Every once in a while, they'll introduce some colors or different textures. And I just think for a leather company, I just love the Goyard print. I really do. And I love that it's hand done. Didn't want to be too matchy, and I was like, you know what, I love that Goyard has all the colors of the rainbow, so I didn't want to match my wallet with my card case, so I did get the wallet in chevron monogram. And let me tell you a few of the reasons why I picked up the Richelieu wallet. This wallet was $13.90 or $12.40. I did have the receipt in front of me, but I seem to have moved it. So I will put in the description bar down below or somewhere on the screen the exact retail price. The one thing that I absolutely loved about this wallet was big space in the back of the wallet. My sales associate, Kurt, he recommended you can actually put your phone in there and then it makes it kind of like a little clutch. But you can get a lot of storage back there, which I love for a wallet because I have a lot of things in my wallet that just don't really have a place, but I want them in my wallet. So I feel like with this wallet, I have a place for them. Went into the store, it was between this wallet and the zip around wallet, and I just thought that this style was really different. I liked the fact that you could put things back here. I like that it does have 6 card holders on top as well as a little back pocket there. I love that it has a change purse and then this little cute pocket in front. You could put just, you know, little things in. So that was kind of what led me to pick this up instead of the zipper wallet. The overall space in the wallet, and then like I said, the real selling point for me, there's always a selling point on something for me, and the real selling point to pick this wallet as opposed to the other one was that little back pocket. So the Richelieu wallet, I was surprised, did not come in a dust bag, but it did come in this little dust cloth. I'm used to a wallet of all things coming in a dust bag, but here we are. So as I mentioned, I did pick up the orange chevron monogram. So this is kind of the different angles of the wallet itself. It does open with a snap closure. Goyard imprinted on the snap closure. So what I really loved and was the determining factor in me choosing this wallet over another style I was looking at is the pocket in the back for your cash. But you can also fit your phone in there along with some cash. You can fit probably a lipstick, a chapstick. So that was really the selling point. I liked how spacious it was back there. It definitely gives you a lot of room. You can even put your cash up here and then just keep your phone in there, which makes it like a cute little, I could just grab my wallet and go. On the top, as you can see, we have 6 slots for cards, as well as this bigger pocket behind that. As always with Goyard products, the leather is so buttery soft, but so strong and durable that you can just absolutely feel a difference. There is also a zippered coin insert in the middle, which has the yellow inside. I absolutely love the yellow and the orange together. Then in the front, you can see there's also a smaller pocket. So I think overall you can fit a lot of your wallet necessities into this wallet. So that was what made me pick this particular style as opposed to like a zip around wallet, or they did have a different kind of snap closure wallet, but it didn't have this much space in it. Detailed the Goyard imprinted in the leather. Even on the zipper pull, it says Goyard as well. There's a little plastic covering it, but you can see that as well. Has a ton of storage room, which, like I said, more than once is the reason why I picked it up. But I love that it doubles as kind of, you can just put your necessities in here, including your phone or your favorite lip gloss, or probably even your key fob for your car. And you can just take it and go. You don't have to worry about bringing your whole bag if it's one of those situations. So now that we've gotten into all the close-ups, let's jump right back into the video. As you saw in the close-ups, you do have a lot of room in here. So I really love that. Of course, this would be where your cash goes as well. But I just love how much room the wallet has. And like I said, it retailed for somewhere between $1,200 and $1,300. And in my opinion, compared to other luxury brands, that's very competitive pricing. It's the same as a Louis wallet. Gucci wallets are a little bit cheaper, but overall, it's what you're gonna pay for a luxury wallet. So I do think it was a very fair price for Goyard. I love that Goyard is so exclusive. You can't purchase them directly from them on the internet. You cannot purchase them at department stores. I love just the exclusivity of Goyard, and I absolutely love that I live so close to the 63rd Street store, because I can go in there and get anything that I want for retail price. Whereas if you live somewhere where you can't go directly to the Goyard boutique, you're more than likely going to use a Rebag, a Fashion File, one of those apps or sites, and probably pay a little bit more. I will be back sometime this spring to purchase a yellow bag. I feel like I'm going in there with the mindset I want a yellow bag. I already have a green and a red Goyard St. Louis tote. So I definitely feel like I want yellow, but I don't know. That can change at any time when I'm in there. I also love their gray, but I definitely will be picking up another purse from them, hopefully in the very near future. If you would like me to unbox my next Goyard purchase here on my channel, if you're not tired of seeing my Goyard unboxings, definitely leave me a comment down below. Overall, I really loved just how spacious this wallet was. It had slots for everything I needed. And then being that I also picked up the card case on the same day, I can put my more important, most used cards and my ID in the card case. And then I can just put my other cards here that I use from time to time. It's the perfect size wallet for me. It's easy to find in my bags. I love and usually gravitate towards long wallets. My last wallet unboxing here on my channel, I do believe, was the Louis Vuitton limited edition Christmas wallet, which came in a smaller wallet, but I normally gravitate towards bigger wallets, and I love that you can actually just carry this wallet around as a little clutch if you needed to, if you just had to grab your stuff and go. The most important things. There's space for everything in this wallet. Glad I was able to pick it up, but I cannot wait to start using it. And one thing that I've said in other Goyard unboxing is Goyard leather is the most thick, durable, yet buttery soft leather I've ever felt. So Goyard's products tend to really stand up to tough conditions and just wear and tear better than some of the other big luxury brands. I've yet to come into contact with a brand or a piece with leather just as strong and well made as Goyard. I could talk all day about it, so I think it's time to wrap up today's video. If you enjoyed my unboxing and my review of the Richelieu Goyard wallet, please make sure you're leaving a thumbs up down below. It means the world to me, as well as a comment. I would totally appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel by now, please hit that subscribe button. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.